Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States is broadcasting a message. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States is broadcasting a message. Please stand by. Please stand.
Attention, all American citizens. This is not a drill. Please listen to my instructions carefully. At 9:32 Eastern Standard Time, a ray of light was seen shooting from the sky. This is not a cosmic event or anything of the sort. This is not a nuke. This is way worse. This is Hoovy Maximus. This is not a drill. Everyone, gather your food, your water, your shelter, and go into your A.H.A safe houses immediately. This is not a drill. Hoovy Maximus is coming literally to our locations and will destroy everyone mercilessly. This is not a drill. I cannot stress this enough. Hoovy Maximus will destroy anyone he sees in his sight. Everyone, gather food and water that will last you 3 weeks. Gather your children and gather all of your friends and families around you into an A.H.A safe house. We will try to fight Hoovy Maximus as much as we can with the A.H.A safe department. This is not a drill. Everyone, gather into your A.H.A safe houses. I can't. Please. God bless America. And, oh my. You think your weapons can defeat me? I am the notorious Hoovy Maximus, as you can see. Prepare to die from my laser beam. A ray of light made from my cream. Standing here, I read out lines with just like me, trying to make history.